So yeah, this my black soap is from Avila too. Yeah, I also have this scrub from Slush Bell. I'll put their IG link below for you guys to check it out and maybe buy from them. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your first time stopping by, please click in on one of my videos. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare video. Yeah, it's been long I did a skincare video, so today I'm going to be giving you my morning skincare routine. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So if you guys know me well, I'm a fan of natural skincare remedies. So yeah, if you've seen my DIY skincare routine, turmeric face mask, yeah, I did a video on how I make my mask, DIY turmeric face mask. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to drop the link below for you to watch it. So today I'm going to tell you my skincare, do my skincare routine for you to see the steps I take to do my routine. So this is a simple skincare routine that I do in the morning or when I stay at home and I don't have anywhere to go. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, this is my black soap. If you know me, you know I love black soap. I've been using black soap for 2 years now and I don't regret it. So I don't regret it at all. Yeah, my first step is I wash. First step I do is I wash my face in the morning when I wake up. So yeah, this is the black soap. I put water in it because it was semi solid, not really semi solid, not too it's not liquid, it's not solid, it's just at the range. So I just added water for it to be easy to apply on my face. So the first step is I put some on my face, around my whole face. Yeah, so I make sure I get it around the entire face. I make sure I don't miss any parts. I make sure it gets to my neck too, because your neck is also an important part of your face. Yes, you don't want to have discoloration, like the color of your face and neck be different, it's not making any sense. So from here I scrub it around my entire face till it's soapy. You can see it's forming a ladder already. I scrub it well. Yeah, make sure and avoid the fact I don't know, just make sure it doesn't enter your face. You don't want it to enter your face. Yeah, scrub well. So I'll be back, guys. I'll go wash this off camera and join you guys. I'm done washing my face. So yeah, I make use of my towel to wipe my face, and I don't use the same towel I use in wiping my body to wipe my face, but for the sake of this video I'll just make use of my face wipes. And I'm going to wipe my face with a face wipe for the sake of this video. So the next step I do is I use my Neutrogena toner to tone my face, which is the second step I do in my morning skincare routine. So this is me wiping my face. Now make sure I get every corner of my face, including your neck. You don't want your neck color to be different from your face color. Sometimes I just use my face wash to wash my face, but then I already used it this morning, so I'll be using my face wash. I use it twice in a week to scrub my face. Yeah, so it's really good, and it's not that expensive, so you can get one for yourself too. Yeah, my next step in my skincare routine is I'm going to oil my face. I got this glow oil from Slush Bell. You can check them on Instagram for your oil. Yeah, so I put some on my finger, then rub my palm on each other, then pat it on my face. Make sure you do it gently. You don't want wrinkle on your face. You don't want your face to get wrinkled. So you rub it in very well. Till it gets to your neck too. You have to treat your neck the same way you treat your face. I also make use of my coconut oil from Avila. Yeah, so yeah, I repeat the same step with the first glow oil. Rub it on my face. Rub it in. Yeah, make sure it gets to all your face part. Make sure it's even. For my final step, I use my lip balm, Nivea lip balm, and I just, put it on my lip like this. The taste is so heavenly. I always feel like eating it, and I gobble it up. Yeah, so that's my skincare routine, guys. I hope you guys, like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, put your notification buttons on for more videos on my channel, and if you want to see more of my skincare videos, please let me know in the comment section. So bye guys.